Hey everyone, it's Vishal. I travel a lot. And over the years, I've picked up some seriously game-changing travel hacks. We're diving deep into the stuff that'll save you time, money, and a whole lot of stress. Whether you're a seasoned globetrotter or just starting your first big adventure, these 18 essential travel hacks will transform the way you travel. So buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and get ready to have your mind blown. Let's do this. All right, let's kick things off with the bane of every traveler's existence, packing. We've all been there, staring blankly into an empty suitcase, wondering where to begin. But fear not, my friends, because gone are the days of scribbled on napkins and frantic last-minute scrambles. Enter the digital packing list. Apps like Google Keep or PackPoint are about to become your new best friends. You can create detailed packing lists, categorize items, and even share them with your travel buddies. These apps can suggest items based on your destination, the weather forecast, and your activities. No more overpacking or forgetting essentials, just pure, organized travel bliss. In the modern age, our phones are our lifelines. We use them for everything: navigation, communication, capturing memories, and there's nothing worse than seeing that dreaded low battery symbol. That's why a portable power bank is non-negotiable. Opt for a high-capacity power bank that can charge your devices multiple times. And if you're feeling extra adventurous, go for a solar-powered one. Imagine trekking through the mountains, miles from any outlet, and your phone's about to die. But wait, you whip out your trusty solar-powered power bank, soak up some rays, and boom, you're back in business. We've all felt the pain of exorbitant roaming charges after a trip, but I'm here to tell you that it doesn't have to be that way. Before you even set foot on the plane, download Google Maps or an offline map app like Maps.me for your destination. This is especially crucial if you're traveling to areas with spotty internet connection. With offline maps, you'll have access to directions, points of interest, and all the navigational tools you need, even without internet access. It's like having a personal tour guide in your pocket, minus the awkward small talk. Let's talk about lost luggage. It's every traveler's worst nightmare. You finally arrive at your destination after a long flight, only to discover that your luggage has taken an unplanned vacation of its own. But fear not, my friends, because technology has come to the rescue once again. Smart luggage trackers like AirTags or Tile are about to become your new travel companions. These tiny devices attach discreetly to your bag and use Bluetooth or GPS to track its location in real time. So if your luggage decides to take a detour, you'll know exactly where it is. Let's face it, traditional banks aren't exactly known for their travel friendliness. But don't worry, I've got you covered. Travel credit cards are a game changer, especially if you're a frequent flyer. Look for cards that offer no foreign transaction fees, which can really add up if you're using your card abroad. Many travel credit cards offer rewards on travel purchases like flights, hotels, and rental cars. Some cards even give you access to airport lounges where you can relax in style with complimentary food, drinks, and Wi-Fi. Nobody wants to think about getting sick or injured while traveling, but let's be real, it happens. And in those moments, the last thing you want to be doing is rummaging through your bag for crumpled up insurance documents. Enter the era of digital health records. Before you jet off, make sure you have digital copies of your health records, vaccination status, and travel insurance details readily available on your phone or in cloud storage. This way, you'll have all the information you need at your fingertips should the unexpected occur. In today's hyper-connected world, staying online is essential even when we're on the road. But roaming charges can be a real buzzkill, right? That's where portable Wi-Fi hotspots and eSIMs come in. A portable Wi-Fi hotspot is basically a pocket-sized router that creates a personal Wi-Fi network you can connect your devices to. It's perfect for sharing internet access with travel companions or if you need a reliable connection for work. And then there's the eSIM, a digital SIM card that's revolutionizing the way we connect abroad. With an eSIM, you can activate a local data plan in just about any country without having to swap out physical SIM cards. All right, let's talk about packing like a pro. You know those people who can fit their entire lives into a carry-on? Yeah, they're not wizards, they're just masters of compression bags. These magical bags are about to change the way you pack forever. Simply pack your clothes, seal the bag, and then roll it up to squeeze out all the excess air. Compression bags are especially great for bulky items like sweaters and jackets, and they'll help you avoid those pesky baggage fees. There's nothing more frustrating than arriving at your destination only to realize that your electronics don't work with the local outlets. But fear not, my friends, because the Universal Adapter is here to save the day. This handy gadget is basically a Swiss Army knife of adapters, allowing you to plug in your devices in over 150 countries worldwide. Look for one with multiple USB ports so you can charge several devices simultaneously. No more frantically searching for adapters at airport kiosks. You'll be all set to power up your devices wherever you go. Okay, let's be real. Airport prices are outrageous, but did you know that you can actually bring an empty, reusable water bottle through airport security? That's right. Once you're through security, simply fill up your bottle at a water fountain and voila, you've got yourself free hydration for your flight. Not only will this save you money, but it's also much better for the environment than buying single-use plastic bottles. We all love free Wi-Fi, but let's be real, public Wi-Fi networks can be risky. That's where a VPN comes in. VPN stands for Virtual Private Network, and it's basically an invisibility cloak for your online activity. When you connect to a VPN, your internet traffic is routed through an encrypted tunnel, making it virtually impossible for anyone to snoop on your data. So next time you're about to connect to that sketchy airport Wi-Fi, do yourself a favor and fire up your VPN. After a long flight, the last thing you want to do is waste time haggling with taxi drivers or trying to navigate public transportation in a foreign city. That's why pre-booking your airport transfer is a must. Whether you prefer a private car, a shared shuttle, or even a ride-sharing service, booking in advance ensures a smooth and stress-free arrival at your destination. Plus, it often works out to be cheaper than grabbing a taxi on the spot. So, do yourself a favor and pre-book your airport transfer. Navigating a foreign country where you don't speak the language can be daunting, but fear not, my friends, because Google Translate's camera feature is about to become your new best friend. This amazing tool allows you to instantly translate signs, menus, and other text by simply pointing your phone's camera at it. It's like having a personal interpreter in your pocket. Gone are the days of fumbling with paper boarding passes or frantically searching for your phone at the security checkpoint. The future of travel is here, and it's on your wrist. Many airlines now allow you to sync your boarding pass to your smartwatch, making it easier than ever to breeze through the airport. Simply hold your wrist up to the scanner and you're good to go. Let's face it, single-use plastics are a major problem, and as travelers we can do our part to reduce our impact. That's why I always pack a set of reusable utensils and a straw in my bag. Whether you're grabbing a quick bite at the airport or enjoying a picnic lunch on the go, having your own utensils means you can skip the plastic cutlery and straws. It's a small change that can make a big difference. Plus, it's always good to be prepared. Layovers can be the worst part of traveling, but they don't have to be. If you've got a long layover ahead of you, consider treating yourself to an airport lounge day pass. Apps like Lounge Buddy and Priority Pass offer access to airport lounges around the world, even if you're not flying in business class. For a small fee, you can enjoy comfortable seating, complimentary food and drinks, Wi-Fi, and even showers in some cases. Renting a car can be a great way to explore your destination at your own pace, but it's important to protect yourself from potential scams before you drive off the lot. Take photos and even a video of the car's condition. Make sure to document any existing damage, no matter how small, so you have proof in case you're held responsible for it later. By taking these precautions, you can help ensure a smooth and hassle-free rental experience. When you're traveling to a foreign country, it's always a good idea to be prepared for the unexpected. That's why I recommend creating an emergency contact card. This card should include important information such as your name, emergency contact details, allergies, medical conditions, and the contact information for your embassy or consulate. In the event of an emergency, having this information readily available could be a lifesaver. So there you have it. 18 essential travel hacks that will completely transform the way you travel, from packing like a pro to staying connected on the go. These tips will save you time, money, and a whole lot of stress. Remember, the key to stress-free travel is all about being prepared and knowing the right hacks. So the next time you're planning a trip, keep these tips in mind and get ready to experience the world like a pro. Thanks for watching. If you found these travel hacks helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and adventures. Safe travels, everyone!